let's look at what to do if you've finished a piece of stitching, but you haven't left yourself with much of a tail in order to secure your thread off with. So you know how normally I'd recommend you do the move where you duck your needle under some stitches and then you can create a loop and then finish off your tail along some existing stitches on the back. Well, we can't do that in this case, can we? But it's okay. This happens to us all. So what I want you to do is take your needle off the thread if it hasn't already fallen off. And then let's take a look at your tail of floss. I'm dealing with 6 strands here, but you might only have 3 or 2. Whatever you're dealing with, split it into half. So in this case, I'll split mine into a 3 and a 3. You might have a 1 and a 1 or a 2 and a 1. That's okay if it's uneven. And then I want you to do an overhand knot. Hopefully you'll have enough to do that. So imagine you're tying your shoelaces. So we're going to cross the tails over each other. And then it can get a little bit fiddly without much thread, but basically I'm pressing them together. And then I'm going to take one tail and tuck it around and then back through that hole. And then I'm going to pull that nice and tight. So that's one knot. That's not that secure. So let's just do that again. So just the same again, cross those tails over. It's quite fiddly when you don't have much thread. Press that crossover with your fingers. So you can't really see there, but I've got that crossover and I'm pressing it together with one hand. And then I'm using my other one to just duck that tail under and through the loop. Then I can grab each tail and pull it tight. And that has created a nice little knot that should prevent this thread from slipping through. You can cut your tail a little bit shorter than this one. So I'll just snip it off there. And now that has done a good job of securing your thread.